Welcome to 10715 Centennial Drive. A spring view of the home shows lush landscaping. Home is hard coat stucco. Notice the arched entrance, leaded front door, and side transoms. Come in and appreciate this southern living floor plan. The soaring two-story great room gets lots of light but retains a cozy feel. There are many executive appointments, plus a wood-burning fireplace including flanking custom arched bookcases. Wow! Imagine the entertainment options available on this oversized deck off the great room. The eat-in kitchen has newer stainless steel appliances. The gas cooktop has a downdraft for ventilation. Imagine casual meals in this bright breakfast room. The formal living room can be flex space with numerous uses. Bring your imagination. The transom window brings even more light to this space. Dining room can hold 10 plus for family gatherings. Main level bedroom could also be an office or flex space. Main level full bath has a separate shower/tub to accommodate multiple guests. Laundry room is a homeowner's dream with upper and lower cabinets, sink, storage closet, and even a window for extra light. Did we mention the two-story foyer with a stunning custom light fixture? View from the catwalk gives perspective on the great room. The oversized primary bedroom has a stunning tray ceiling, bay window, and triple crown molding. Room for much more furniture and seating. Choose your layout. Wow! Skylights and an arched window with flanking windows. The shower is oversized and has been updated. Relax in this huge spa-like setting. Walk-in closet is enormous and can easily hold year-round clothes. Bedroom 3 upstairs. Jack and Jill bath gives privacy to children or guests. Bedroom 4 upstairs is also spacious. Note the new carpet installed in January. Terrace level gathering room is spacious and opens to screen porch. Imagine escaping the heat on hot summer days. The numerous trees provide privacy and additional shade. You can grill on the patio or above on the deck. You have lots of options. Roughly half of the terrace level is finished, giving you flexibility to add rooms or take advantage of the incredible amount of storage space. Use this room as an office or additional bedroom. Terrace level has a full bath with tub and shower, giving you options for family or guests. Dunmoor has a swim team and a multi-level clubhouse to accommodate neighborhood functions and events. 4 lighted tennis courts provide great recreation options. Note all the Alta banners to rev up your competitive spirit. You'll love your life at Dunmoor, convenient to everything.